Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Saucony Triumph 22. One of the latest updates from Saucony's popular Triumph line of running shoes. I've logged over 35 miles in these shoes, so let's get right into it. The Saucony Triumph 22 brings some significant changes compared to its predecessor, the Triumph 21. It features a new midsole foam, PWRRUNPB, which promises enhanced cushioning and responsiveness. Saucony has also redesigned the shoe to be wider and more stable, which affects its performance and feel. Starting with the design, the Triumph 22 is available in both medium and wide fits, accommodating various foot shapes. The upper is made of engineered mesh with ample padding around the collar and tongue, ensuring a comfortable fit. However, the thickness of the upper might make your feet feel warmer during longer runs in sunny weather. The highlight of the Triumph 22 is its PWRRUNPB midsole. This new foam is softer and more protective than the PWRRUN Plus foam used in the Triumph 21. It provides a plush feel underfoot, which is great for absorbing impact during easy runs and recovery sessions. However, despite expectations, I found the responsiveness to be slightly lacking compared to other shoes in this category. Moving to the outsole, the Triumph 22 features a durable rubber outsole that provides good traction on both roads and light trails. It held up well during my testing, showing minimal wear even after several runs. This durability is crucial for a shoe designed for high mileage use. In terms of actual performance, the Triumph 22 excels as a protective, stable shoe for easy-paced runs. It's ideal for new runners or those who prefer a more cushioned ride. However, where it falls short is in versatility. Unlike its predecessor, the Triumph 21, which offered a more responsive feel suitable for various paces. The Triumph 22 feels best suited for slower, steady runs. So, should you consider buying the Saucony Triumph 22? If you prioritize comfort and stability for easy-paced runs or recovery sessions, this shoe could be a solid choice. However, if you're looking for versatility and a more responsive ride across different types of runs, you might find better options elsewhere in this price range. In conclusion, the Saucony Triumph 22 is a substantial update with its new midsole foam and wider design, catering well to runners seeking maximum cushioning and stability. While it may not be as versatile as its predecessor, it certainly has its strengths for specific types of runners. That wraps up our review of the Saucony Triumph 22. If you've tried these shoes or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.